$50, and another $50, and another $50. And the name of this site is
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 each time you click. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And coming very, very soon, you're going to get a chance to win some free money. So please smash that like button, drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video today. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, before I get into this method, let me tell you about the most active subscriber. Now, when you become the most active subscriber, you get a chance to win some free money once I hit 1,500 subscribers, or at the end of the month of December 2019, I will go ahead and choose the most active subscriber and reward them with the free money. Now, I might reward 2 people with free money. So I'll reward the first most active subscriber and then the second most active subscriber with some free money. So all you have to do, follow these steps. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, watch this video and all my other videos all the way through to the end. And while you're watching these videos, look for a code word that will flash on the screen. When you see that code word, type that down in the comments below. And what I'm going to do, once either I hit 1,500 subscribers or it's at the end of December, I'm going to go through and see who's the most active subscriber and the second most active subscriber and reward these people with free money. So if you want to win some free money, become the most active subscriber and follow these steps. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $50 each time you click. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Vendale.com. Now, this is a survey website. Now, hold up before you click off of this video. I know you're probably getting tired of surveys because a lot of these survey sites have you doing surveys that takes 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and then you only get $1 or only get some points. And you have to keep doing surveys till you accumulate up enough points to cash out. Not this website. This is one of the best survey websites on the internet that will pay you cash. Now, so please bear with me and let's go ahead and learn more about this site so you can be convinced. I guarantee you be convinced that this is one of the best survey sites that you want to try. All right, I'm gonna kind of run through this real fast, so because I don't want to be too long with this video. You know, I don't like to make too long of videos. I don't want to keep you guys on here all day. I want you guys to start making money right away. So let me go ahead and get into this, and I'm gonna go through this kind of fast. So it says here, get paid to take surveys online. Vendale is secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. You click here to start, and it's free. And you can click there to watch a video, and it should tell you more about Vendale. And as you can see here, it says easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys added daily, millions paid. They paid out $7,939,327 already paid to members, and they pay you out through PayPal, so get paid cash out cash out, so you get paid cash, no, not points, via PayPal. And you can use it on any device. So let's scroll down here and see how it works. So take paid surveys. So share demographic information about yourself, and Vendale Research will match you to paid surveys. Browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have us email you when new surveys come in that you qualify for. Getting paid for your opinion couldn't be easier. So let me scroll down here and go to the next one. It says here, redeem your earnings by PayPal. That's, self-explanatory there. I've said that, I've talked about that earlier. And what are the surveys about? And here's the list of all the surveys, the topics. So you got cars and trucks, home improvement, health and beauty, politics and current events, popular restaurants, shopping and fashion, sports, new technology, travel and leisure. So they got a lot of categories for you to choose from to do some surveys, and look like you're gonna have some fun doing it, because there are a lot of different topics that people like to read about. And let's see here. It says here, what makes Vendale Research unique? Here's a few reasons right here. Cash payments, no points or coupons, check. Full service team support. From my knowledge, the team support is excellent, check. And take surveys on any device, check. So you can take surveys on the computer, phone, tablet, laptop. And getting paid is simple. Request payment quickly and easily. Vendale offers quick PayPal payments, no payment processing fees. So that's a plus. And they got, right here it says ways to earn. So you can get, you can do paid studies, reward codes, referral program, Vendale videos, watch videos. Photos, you can get paid from your photos, and reward mail. Now, let me tell you one more thing here. Now, I want to show you some examples of some surveys so you can get an idea of how much money you'll be making real fast. Now, like I say, these surveys are short. They're not long. So you can get, for this survey here, you can get $10. For this one, $3.50, $1.50, $14.60. So they do have some low ones, 75 cents, but they do have some high ones. You got $11 to $5.50. Now, like I say, these things take like 5 minutes to do. So you do multiple of these, do multiple of the ones that are like $11 or $3. But if you do, or $10, so if you do multiple ones that are for $10, you can get $50 in one day. So that's how this works. And now you know why this is one of the best survey sites to use. So if you're interested and ready to start making that $50 with just one click, just go to Vendale.com. Now you know the website you can go to right now that will start paying you $50 each time you click. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, and let's try to get up to 50 likes, guys. Because the more likes I get, the more it helps my channel to grow, and the more it helps this video to be seen on YouTube. So let's get up to 50 likes, guys. Help out a brother. And please drop a comment down below and tell me what you thought about this video, and let me know if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also, if you're the most active subscriber, don't forget to put that code word down in the comments below also. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I want to help out as many people I can all around the world make money online, become financially free, and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, one more thing before I get out of here and end this video. One more thing. I just want to give my grind family member a shout out. I want to shout out to Michael Obang. I don't know if I pronounced your last name correctly, but I'm gonna put your name across the screen. I just want to say thank you for checking out my videos, commenting down below every video. I just want to say I appreciate you and I salute you, my brother. And also, if any one of you guys that's watching this video want to get your name shout out, please drop a comment down below and just keep watching all my videos, share all my videos, and I will shout your name out. All right, that's it. That's all I have for this video. Again, thank you, Grind family. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being part of the Grind family movement. Let's grow. Let's become the biggest channel ever on YouTube. We can do it. Let's do it. All right. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
This is Grind TV.